Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to use Google Lens to search online for a product you want to buy. This can be useful if you've seen a product in a shop or in someone's house, for example, and you want to shop for it online. So to do this, open Google Lens on your phone. If you don't have this app, you can download it from Play Store. Next, scroll left to select Shopping. You can now select the picture of the product you're looking for from your gallery. For example, I have a picture of a chair that I would like to buy. Now at the bottom of the page, Google will display the websites selling the same chair. You can also take a picture of the product using the app instead of selecting it from your gallery. For example, I will take a picture of my piggy bank. As you can see, Google is now displaying the websites selling piggy banks. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below the video. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.